Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you my perspective on the Higgsfield, my review of it, and what kind of thing you can actually expect if you want to use it. Now, primarily also review of the pricing plans. So I'm on an ultimate plan, so I'm an active user of Higgsfield. As you can see, I got the monthly credits left on how much money I saved. And for me, the tool is insane. But there are some important things that you have to be aware of. So what I absolutely like about Higgsfield is that I can have concurrent images when I generate them. So I'm on ultimate plan here on the basic. I'm not going to even comment it. The pro version is okay, but what I don't like is that you don't really have the Nano Banana Pro there. And for me, I care only about Nano Banana Pro. I don't care about the other image generation tools here. So here what I do and why I like primarily the Ultimate is that yes, you have access to all models, to all features. And I get like 8 images. That means is that look at that. I generated unlimited this image, right? And then I start generating unlimited with these 4 images. And then I go do something else. It takes like 5, 7 minutes, 10 minutes about like generating the unlimited. And while I do it different work, then I can like choose which picture I want, right? But let's say that I'm like speeding up, then I can like use the credits. But primarily what I do is that while I work on something and I need to like test out images, test out different person. So, okay, now I can like, okay, change the background. So I can take, for example, this one right here. I can copy it. I'm going to paste it and now change the man to an older woman. And now I can click here and I can go unlimited again. And while doing that, I can do different work. And this is something that I really like. And also I'm going to generate it with my credits. So 8 images at the same time, 4 for free and 4 also for credits. At the same time, that's something that I can do. And it's unlimited. That means for all like 365 days that I have the plan. Now, there is important thing that I think like when there is like high usage, that a lot of people are actually like using Higgsfield and they get a lot of traffic, then it's like throttling, or even I perceive when I would like use it a lot, the unlimited, then it can take more time. So they cannot like slow me down. I don't have it like approved. This is like my conspiracy theory that I observed. And this is something that I found out. Of course, the ones that you're going to use with credits are going to be way faster. Now, that's for that. Now, for the creator plan that you can see right here, what is very important is that you have right here, this is something that captivated my eye for kind of like making YouTube videos with AI that I would like for people. Now, as you can see, you have only the Clink, for example, 2.6, which is good. You have only 30 days after the purchase for unlimited. But that's a limitation right there because you have only 30 days. Now, someone would pay is like, yeah, I got it unlimited. But this is very important. It's not really unlimited for like Nano Banana Pro. So that's why for me the Ultimate is very good because I can actually like use it for generating images, and I do something, it generated image and I'm good to go. So for example, look at that, it changed it to older woman right here. And then it's going to like generate more. And right now, for example, these two are also unlimited generations, and those two are going to take a little bit time. Sometimes what can happen is not going to generate at all, and it's either you have to generate it again or it's going to give you credits back if you used it with the credits. Now this is something that also happened to me. Now what I don't like about Higgsfield is that sometimes it just like it wants to upsell you constantly, right? It's like Nano Banana Pro Unlimited, clean models 50% off, one-time offer, and constantly trying to like upsell you to different plans. And that's frustrating. I would be really happy if I want to like disable it, like don't. But yeah, it's like for me the Ultimate is very worth it. I don't know how much money I paid for, like 250 euro, and I think it's even paid for it, like even just like the first I don't know how many days I got it for how much I actually like used it, for me at least, and in my own business. And as you can see right here, it's like generated the unlimited image. But for the creator, you just have to be aware for the Nano Banana Pro is that for the Clink 2.6 that is not really unlimited. It's only unlimited for the first 30 days after the purchase, as you can see right here. That's something that you want to actually like read through. Now, and the problem there is that after that you use standard 6,000 credits per month, which is good. But even when you're gonna have like 30 days after the purchase, and let's say you're gonna start generating, the problem there with Kling 2.6 is that it can throttle you again, right? Is that you will generate, I don't know how many videos, because you want to like in those 40 days like fully use it and fully grind, and bam, right? And you're done, right? So that's something to kind of like be careful about if you want to actually like use that. So as you can see, look at that, it put me like restricted content detected. I don't know for why is that, to be honest, but yeah, because like older woman. Yeah, okay. So this is something that you can actually like expect from the creator and from the pricing plans. I hope it makes sense, and I hope I provided a little bit of value. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.